This is the rear trailing arm on my Saturn, and that's where it mounts to the body. Well, we've got some Saturn Swiss cheese here. As you can see, everything is rotted out. What I've done here is I've taken the part that I cut out and traced it onto a scrap of cardboard so that I can start making a template to cut out my new metal. And then I transferred the cardboard pattern over to this piece of metal that I'm going to use as my patch, and I went ahead and cut that out. Nice thick piece. And now I need to bend it to match the shape that the car has. So here we are, we've got it all welded in. First I tack welded the plate. Now I've got it welded in all the way around the edge. The welds are really ugly. I have a hard time welding upside down, but I did ensure that I got good penetration everywhere. There's a few little holes that I missed, but it's really solid. I think it's going to work out great. I went to the hardware store and got a couple grade 10 bolts right here and right here, and mocked this up. Got it all bolted, and I went ahead and tack welded the nuts inside. Seems pretty good. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this part here closed up in, rebuilt. Underneath here, here's our trailing arm mount. You can see that I've painted everything up. Try to prevent rust there. And the trailing arm, I also cleaned and painted that. It's got some mud and dirt on it now, but ought to hold up pretty well. Quite a project. Thanks for watching.